joy abound. Christmas cheer is all around. Hearts are bright, the season's here, spreading love and holiday cheer. We gather around the tree so tall, with golden lights that grace us all. A song we sing with smiles so wide, love and laughter side by side. Oh, the joy this time will bring, as every heart begins to sing. Joy to every home tonight, fill the world with warm delight. Raise your voice, let the message roll. Merry Christmas to every home. From snowy fields to cozy fire, the magic grows as we aspire to share the love and spread good cheer, bringing hope this time of year. See the stars, they light the way, guiding hearts on Christmas Day. Together now we lift the tune, beneath the glow of the winter moon. Joy to every home tonight, fill the world with warm delight. Raise your voice, let the message roll. Merry Christmas to every home. Joy to every home we see, hearts as bright as the Christmas tree. Love and peace, let the spirit grow. Everywhere the joy will flow. Ring the bells, let joy abound. Christmas cheer is all